User interface in Java Debugger. User interface. The user interface to the debugger is not specified. The intent is that tool vendors will provide value-added implementation. As an example, we can consider this one invoking Java DT. Here you can invoke the Java DT debugger as follows. Note this dash class path option controls the class path for the hello application. Once the window appears, you can issue the run command to begin execution immediately. It is also possible to give the class name in the run command, in which case it may be omitted when invoking the debugger from the shell. The class path may also be set from within the debugger using the class path command. As an example 2, we can consider this one. Run and debug. The debugger extension provides multiple ways to run and debug your Java application. This is in Visual Studio and with the extension Debugger for Java extension. This is the end of my. Now we are considering JDB. Here the start a JDB session. For example, if your application's main class is my class, then use the following command to debug it under JDB. JDB, you use JDB command and its options to find and fix bugs in the Java platform programs. In the synopsis here, these are options. This represents JDB command line options. Here the class name. This represents the name of the main class to debug, and the argument that is not shown here. The represents the argument that are passed to the main method of the class. The JDB is a simple command line debugger for Java classes. JDB command and its options called the JDB. JDB command demonstrate the Java platform debug architecture and provide inspection and debugging of local or remote JVM. To start a session, there are many ways to start a JDB session. The most frequent used way is to have a JDB launch a new JVM with the main class of the application to be debugged. To do this by substituting JDB command for the Java command in the command line. For example, your application main class is my class. Then use the following command to debug it under JDB. When it started in this way, JDB command calls the second JVM with the specified parameters, loads the specified class and stop the JVM before executing the class first instruction. Another way to use the JDB command is by attaching it to a JVM. That's already running. Syntax for starting JVM to which the JDB command attaches when JVM is running as follows. This loads in process debugging libraries and specify the kind of connection to be made. You can then attach the JDB command to the JVM with the following command. 8000 is the address of the JVM. The my class argument isn't specified in the to a JVM, and all of them are supported by the JDB command. Java Platform Debugger architecture has additional documentation on these connection options.